Stop thinking about AI as a single box you type questions into. That era just ended. OpenAI has released GPT-5.6, but it isn't just one model. It is a family of 3 distinct models named Sol, Terra, and Luna. Each is built for a different level of power and speed. We aren't just talking about faster answers. We are talking about a system of agents that can actually write code, review interfaces, and execute complex workflows for you. The biggest change is a move from chatting to doing. In the past, you had to tell the AI exactly what to do step by step. The 5.6 family acts like a real teammate. This means if you tell it to build a web application, it can actually write the code, review its own user interface outputs, and refine them without you having to micromanage every single line. It is no longer just a simple tool, it is a collaborative agent. You know how you have to remind the AI of the context of your project every few days? Those days are ending. The 5.6 models maintain a deep memory of the task at hand. They remember the architecture you prefer and the style of code you write. Because they are designed as agents, they build a mental map of your workflow. This means you spend a lot less time explaining what you need, and much more time executing your goals. OpenAI broke this release into 3 distinct tiers so you have the right tool for every job. Sol is the flagship powerhouse model, designed for extreme logic and complex coding. Terra is the perfectly balanced core model for most daily tasks. And Luna is the ultra-fast, lightweight model for quick requests. You aren't just using one generic model anymore, you are orchestrating a complete team of specialized digital assistants tailored exactly to your specific workflow. But how good is Sol, actually? The raw performance numbers are staggering. On agentic coding tasks, Sol is 54% more token efficient than previous generations. It also scored an incredible 80 on OpenAI's Coding Agent Index. To put that in perspective, that is 2.8 points higher than Anthropic's powerful Fable 5 model. It doesn't just write code, it reasons through complex multi-step problems better than any model currently available on the market. Of course, power is nothing without accessibility. The pricing structure makes deploying these agents incredibly practical for developers. Sol sits at the high end, costing $5 per million input tokens and $30 for output. Terra cuts that cost exactly in half, offering massive value. Meanwhile, Luna is highly affordable at just $1 for input and $6 for output. This lets you route complex tasks to Sol, and simple tasks to Luna to save money. But this level of automated power comes with a price. For these models to actively review interfaces and execute multi-step workflows, they require deep access to your codebase and data. We have to ask ourselves, are we okay with passing this much control to an AI in exchange for developer convenience? And if Sol and Terra do all the heavy lifting, do we eventually forget how to solve hard technical problems on our own? You don't have to be afraid of this shift, but you do need a strategy. Start by auditing your data boundaries today. Use the models to handle the boring boilerplate code, but keep the core architectural challenges for yourself to stay sharp. Remember, models like Sol and Terra are your co-pilots, but you are still the lead engineer. Route smart, verify everything, and use them to amplify your skills, not replace your brain. The prompt era is fading, and the agent era has begun. The question is no longer what models like Sol can do, but what you will build with your newly found time. Welcome to the future of development.